Hey everybody, this is Jonathan with Pioneer Cycle Sports, and in this video we're going to walk through just how easy it is to install the new single-leg power meter with a Pioneer cycle computer. Single-leg power meters are a really great way to get started in training with power. The new single-leg system is available for both Ultegra 6800 and Dura-Ace 9011 speeds. In Dura-Ace you can get sizes from 165 all the way up to 180 millimeters. For the Ultegra 6800 you can get sizes 165, 170, 172.5, and 175 millimeters. In order to get all of Pioneer's high-definition data from the sensors to the computer, we need to install a magnet on the left side of the bike frame. To do that, we're going to use our magnet placement template so we can find the proper placement of our magnet. Locate the proper magnet position by placing the template on the crank spindle and place the magnet in the outlined guide. We recommend using Scotch tape to temporarily attach the magnet. We'll permanently attach it as the final step. Now install the crank arm, gently give it a spin, and check that the sensor clears the chainstay and the magnet. You'll want to be sure that the sensor is no more than 10 millimeters from the magnet when it passes. If the chainstay doesn't provide enough clearance, you can place the magnet on the down tube or the seat tube. From the Pioneer cycle computer, we're going to switch the sensor from its default Ant Plus mode to Pioneer pedaling mode and pair it to the computer. To do this, rotate the crank 3 times in any direction to wake up the sensor. Press Menu, Option, press Pedaling Settings, Mode Switch, check the left side box and enter the Ant Plus ID found on the side of the sensor. Press Pedaling Monitor and the computer will begin searching for the sensor. Left success will be displayed once the sensor is found. To add the sensor to the sensor list, press OK. Next, we want to calibrate the magnet. This will ensure that the magnet is correctly positioned and the computer displays the pedaling graphics in the proper orientation. Be sure the bike is level before you begin this step. Press Menu, press Option, press Pedaling Settings, and Magnet Calibration. Rotate the crank forward slowly, about 30 RPM. On the left sensor screen, you'll see 0 as you rotate the crank. That number should count up as the sensor passes the magnet. If the sensor is not counting up, you'll need to reposition the magnet until you get positive confirmation. Once you get good connection confirmation, press the Start Calibration button. And again, rotate the crank forward. You'll see the counter count up again, 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and so on until you reach a minimum of 5 of 5 good readings. Then press Save. And that's it for installation. Your power meter's paired, your magnet is calibrated to the computer, and you're ready to log Pioneer high-definition data metrics. As with any power meter, to ensure the most highly accurate data, it's important to zero calibrate often. Zero calibration from the Pioneer computer is very easy. Place the left crank arm down at the 6 o'clock position, press Menu, Option, Zero Cal, and calibrate LR. You'll see calibration success for the left side when done, and you're ready to roll. And remember, Pioneer offers an easy upgrade path for the most accurate dual leg balance and high definition power metrics with the right side upgrade kit. Simply send your drive side crank to Pioneer, they'll install and calibrate sensors, send it back to you, you reinstall it on your bike, and then simply pair the right side sensor the same way that we did with the left. Thanks for watching, I'm Jonathan, and if you're looking for the video on how to install this with an Ant Plus device, click here. Subscribe to our channel here, and remember, knowledge is power, and power is king.